Hello and welcome to Washtenaw Community College, where your future in the transportation industry begins. Whether you're a recent high school graduate, want to advance skills in your current profession, or looking for a career change, our Transportation Technologies programs offers the hands-on training and skills you need to succeed in today's high-demand, high-wage careers. Here at WCC, we are committed to supporting you every step of the way. Here at WCC, we understand that employers are looking for highly skilled technicians ready to tackle the challenges of today's modern vehicles. That's why our certificate and degree programs focus on the careers that employers need to fill right now. Our auto body and custom cars programs provide you with the skills needed to repair, customize, and build unique vehicles. From collision repair to custom fabrication, you'll gain hands-on experience with the latest techniques and technologies. Imagine turning your passion for cars into a rewarding career, creating custom masterpieces or restoring classic vehicles. We offer certifications in auto body repair and custom auto body fabrication to ensure you're meeting industry standards and staying ahead of the curve. As the demand for electric vehicles grows, so do the career opportunities. Our electric vehicle program is designed to teach specialized procedures and repair processes specific to battery-powered electric vehicles, while always prioritizing safety. Join us and help build the vehicles of tomorrow with hands-on experience in our state-of-the-art labs. In our powertrain program, you'll master the technology behind engine testing and diagnostics. Our powertrain development technician program includes comprehensive training, from dynamometer operations to advanced engine systems. Develop the skills to keep vehicles running efficiently, ensuring reliability and performance in every drive. WCC graduates can also explore incredible career opportunities in the heavy equipment industry. With the specialized skills gained in our programs, WCC graduates are sought after by heavy equipment employers that partner with the college. These employers are eager to take WCC graduates to the next level, providing paid on-site training and great career paths. Keep the world moving by ensuring that the machines that build our infrastructure can run smoothly and reliably. At Washtenaw Community College, we believe in hands-on learning and real-world experience. Our dedicated instructors, cutting-edge facilities, and strong industry connections mean our graduates are among the best prepared in their fields. We partner with leading automotive companies and local businesses to provide you with internship and job placement opportunities, setting you up for success from day one. Join the ranks of successful WCC graduates who are shaping the future of the automotive and transportation industries. With our wide array of certificates and degrees, you'll have the credentials that employers are looking for. Discover the career path that's right for you and start your journey today. What do you call someone who attended WCC? Employed.